eggplants or aubergines, whatever you call them. They are fantastic, a good substitute for meat for vegans. They are delicious for everyone. Here I'm going to show you a few easy peasy ways to prepare them. They can be added for salads or any meals for a quick pick-me-up. Just keep them in the fridge, ready to go. All delicious dishes starts with the quality of the ingredients. Here you can see the skin of the eggplant is nice and shiny and tight. It's plump and firm, smooth, perfect. So we start slicing the eggplant about 1 centimeter apart. Slice all the way through into nice big rounds. If they're too big, then you can always slice in half, as I did in the end here, and then just spread them on a baking paper onto a sheet and pop them on a grill oven until they are nice and brown. If there are large spaces between the rounds, then just cut the eggplant rounds into half and fill in the space with the wedges. Don't forget to drizzle plenty of good quality olive oil or whatever oil of your preference. I don't put salt because I'm very mindful of my salt intake, so I don't bother with sprinkling salt, and I just pop them in the oven on grill until they're nice and brown. Once one layer is nice and brown, just take them out and flip each one to the other side to get a nice even coating. Usually takes a little less time than the first side. Don't forget to drizzle a little bit more olive oil on the second side and pop in the oven till all brown. Once the eggplant is still warm, I always have a bottle of salad dressing to go in the fridge. So this is just a simple solution of acid and oil, acid and fat, which is just olive oil, mustard and lemon juice and salt, and then toss in some greens. Here is coriander, my go-to greens. Give it a good shake. This is ready to be added to any dish. Can sit in the fridge for a few days and it's delicious. It's super easy to make. This tangy side dish will jazz up any meal. I keep it in the fridge all the time, especially for my vegan friends. Here I have some basil from my garden, so I'm just going to snip it and add that to the eggplants too for that extra aroma. And this is the fun part when you get to cook at home. I just feel like a little bit of crunch and color, so thinly slice a red onion, crush it lightly to loosen up the layers, and pop it on top of the onions or just mix in with the tangy eggplant. Okay, this is another way of prepping. It's just slice it in half, add some paprika, cumin, your favorite spices, generously layer it on top, and then just bake till soft. Pour over your favorite tuna. No other liquid is necessary because you'll use the natural juices from the eggplant. Add some salt, garlic if you like, and of course some greens, and you're done. Feel free to top this with cooked mincemeat for a heartier meal, or mushrooms for happy vegans. Here is the last method I'm going to show, the popular baba ganoush. This has been on the fire for about 30 minutes to 40 until it's soft inside. I don't bother to move it around. And then when it's ready, you carefully unwrap it and then cut it in half. Be careful, it's very hot. You see all the steam coming up? Now here I'm pouring raw tahina straight onto the eggplant. There's no need to add any liquid because we're using the natural juices from the eggplant. Make sure you do the other side as well. Give it a good stir and mix. Next, we add some salt. You can add as much as you like or as little according to your personal taste. After the salt, we're going to add some crushed garlic. This is a must. Don't skip this because it's really much better with crushed garlic. And mix it again. It's like a really soft, gooey, hot, steamy paste. It's still absolutely delicious. Vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly. Even if you're a meat eater, you will love this too. Now I'm garnishing this with some greens. I love coriander, cilantro. You can put parsley, chopped chives, spring onions, whatever green you have. And lastly, a nice garnish of black sesame seeds just to bring out some color. And there you'll have it. You can serve straight as is, straight from the skin, or you can choose to scoop out the paste and put it into a nice serving dish. Thank you very much for watching.